The very next drawing you are going to do on the other side of your pentagon is the hexagon. It's got 2-inch sides all the way around and 45-degree angles on each of the sides. This is going to be a very tight fit left to right. So you want to make sure you find the middle and then go 1 inch either side to account for this. You're going to find the middle and go 1 inch this way and 1 inch this way, and then start your 45s. So again, we know that this distance is 5.5 because 5.5 and 5.5 equals the 11 inches that this paper is long. So that means half of 5.5, or half of this side, is, turn it this way so you guys can see, half of 5.5 is 2 3/4. I'm going to just shift it down to the 3 and go 1 inch on this side and 1 inch on this side. We don't draw lines with this. We draw lines with the T-square or the triangles. I draw my dark 2-inch line. I'm then going to use my 45-degree angle. I'm going to just draw a very light construction line. Like I said, it's going to get close to the edge, so you want to make sure you get these measurements well done. You see how light that is. I don't know how long to draw it without measuring. So I am going to look at this 2 inches, because all the sides are 2 inches, and you see how close it got to the edge. So we don't draw the line with this, we draw it with our triangles. Okay, got my 2-inch and 2-inch line going up at a 45. Our next line, you could use your 30, 60, 90. I'm going to use my 45 because it's just a 2-inch line. And so I'm going to go up 2 inches, about, very light line from the edge there. Going to measure it, make a mark, change my construction line into an object line just by, don't do that, just by darkening it in. Again, a very light construction line, at least 2 inches. You want to go a little further. See the line there? Measure 2 inches. Don't use your scale, use your triangle to draw the 2-inch line. This one's going to be a horizontal line, so I'm going to use my T-square. I'm going to go at least 2 inches. I measure out 2 inches. Turn this construction line into an object line by darkening it. Draw my construction line down. Happen to draw that one exactly 2 inches, which is really weird. that I would get that exact. I'm going to use my triangle for my vertical line. Draw it at least 2 inches. Measure down 2 inches. Now a lot of times I like to go both directions. So if there's any accumulative error, it would be half. But I'm taking a chance and drawing this all from one edge. This should work as a 45, and it does beautifully. Look at this. And I've done my hexagon. Now, you would think I'm done, but I am not, because I need to put here, drawing 2 hexagon, I'm going to draw my you know what, I'm going to draw it this way. My straight line separating, and then my scale. Again, this scale is 1 to 1. So, got my name, Pentagon scale 1 for this one, hexagon scale 1 to 1 for this one. You are done with the 2 drawings. Now you are to do the square circle one on your own. Square 3 inches by 3 inches, and the circle inside has a diameter of 5, which, by the way, don't forget, is a radius of 2.5. So it should be a 1/2 inch all the way around.